Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love saving money while shopping online, then today's video is definitely for you. In this quick but powerful guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use coupons on Superbuy, the easiest way to cut down your costs and get the best deals. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any of the steps that people often overlook. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to log into your Superbuy account. If you're not logged in, the coupon option may not even appear, so make sure that part is done. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where all the important account options are kept, but a lot of users forget to check here. Now, look at the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Coupons or Coupon Center. Go ahead and click that. This is your main hub for all discount opportunities on Superbuy. Inside the coupon section, you'll see a full list of all the available coupons linked to your account. Some might offer percentage discounts, others might give you fixed amount savings, and some could even be category specific. Take a moment to explore and choose the coupon that matches the item you plan to buy. If you already have a coupon code from a promotion or an external campaign, don't worry, you can manually add it too. Just click. I have a coupon code, type the code in the box and hit redeem. Within seconds, the coupon will be added to your account and ready to use at checkout. Once you proceed to payment, Superbuy will automatically show your eligible coupons. Select the one you want to apply, confirm it, and the discount will reflect immediately. And just like that, you've saved yourself some money without any hassle. It's simple, fast, and definitely worth doing before every purchase. I hope this guide makes your next Superbuy order a lot more affordable. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick 2025 tutorials, and drop a comment if you want guides on other platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.